This is my first article video presentation. My source is Forbes Magazine. The article is written September 5th, 2012 and is entitled "The Gold Standard is Coming." According to Steve Forbes, experts are, as he says, poo-pooing the plank in the GOP platform that calls to examine the possible ways to set a fixed value to the American dollar. However, according to Forbes, gold will not be an issue in the upcoming election this fall. According to him, the economy and possibly the war in the Middle East will continue to dominate the headlines. Though within the next 24 months, gold will indeed rise as the country's federal bank maintains its destructive status. He goes on to state that for the first time in our history, our credit markets have been rendered incapable of providing sufficient capital for small to medium businesses. Furthermore, the Federal Reserve has been manipulating interest rates so heavily that they have destroyed the ability of our credit markets to price out real prices of products because the Fed's forced suppression of organic interest rates. Relating it back to the gold standard, if a properly functioning gold standard can be maintained, then the Feds will no longer have the capability to rig interest rates. The relevance of this class and the course concepts is through the article I learned and better understand the concepts surrounding the world, specifically the U.S.'s money. I can see the setting a standard for gold not only would affect stabilization for production and consumers, but the community and its entity. Like discussed in the lecture that we went over, the recordings, money equals power, and if the Federal Reserve would stop manipulating interest rates, then as a nation we would be able to accurately assess costs of products and begin to get our economic issues in better order. This focuses on hard power and how the Feds can influence the economic means of a nation, in this case the United States, by altering their effect on the market. The United States would be able to have more stabilization on the economy, and therefore the Feds wouldn't be controlling everything. It relates to learning outcome 1 and learning outcome 3 because I'm able to understand and apply basic economic principles, and I'm able to understand current day economic and political events. Goodbye.